A very good morning to students, all of you. How are you doing? I hope you are all fit and fine and doing great at your home. Today we are going to study the poem The Ballad of Ram from your English channel book. Okay, this is your third poem and there are some questions for you. You have to solve them all. Why is a tree like a big dog? Okay, tree and big dog में क्या सिमिलरिटी है? What did one flea say to another? एक फली दूसरी से क्या कहती है? How does a dog stop a video? These all the questions you have to solve. Now, what is ballad? Ballad is a story that is written in poem form. Okay, so here is the story of Ram. Now what is Ram? Ram is the name of the dog. Okay, let us see the summary of this poem first of all. This is a very interesting as well as easy story. Okay, let us see the summary. Ballad of Ram. It is a funny poem written by Peter R. Wolveries. It is about a dog who came wandering into the poet's garden one day. They kept him as their pet, named him Ram, fed him, and assigned him to guard their gate. But unlike a good guard dog, Ram barked at all cats, horses, toads, but not at people, as he liked people, as they fed him and played with him. One night, a burglar came into the poet's house. Ram did not bark at him, as he was happy to get someone's company in the night. He jumped at the burglar to play, but the burglar got frightened as he thought that he was going to attack him and fled away, leaving his wallet behind. Ram took his wallet and showed it to his family in the morning. Police captured and jailed the thief with the help of this wallet. As a result, Ram became popular in the town due to his bravery, and no one tried to intrude into their house after that. So, though he didn't do it deliberately, he was going to do for playing, but he was the cause. Because of him, a thief was caught. That's why he became popular in the whole town. Let us read line by line, stanza by stanza. A dog wandered into garden one day. A friendly old mutt did not look like a stray. We never discovered from where he had come, but we brushed him and fed him, and the kids called him Rub. The poet is saying that one day a dog came into their garden from nowhere. Okay, and it was a stray dog, but it was a friendly old dog. Okay, but the writer and his family cleaned him and fed him and gave it the name Ram. Now, as family members, even dogs must work hard. So we put Ram on duty next door in our yard, bright-eyed and watchful by night and by day, but not much of a guard dog, I'm sorry to say. And now, as the writer and his family loved him like a family, so the poet's family accepted the dog with an open heart and included it as their family member. The dog was very friendly people, and that's why he was not a good guard. Means he didn't take care of their home as a guard. He barked at the cat and he would bark at a toad. He barked at the cattle outside on the road. He barked at the horses. So where did he fail? You see, Ram liked people and he just wagged his tail. Now the writer is saying that the dog was very friendly with the people. He would bark only at the cats, toad, cattle and horses. But whenever it would see a human being, it would start wagging its tail. ठीक है, तो वो जब भी किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग को देखता था तो वो उसे बहुत अच्छा लगता था, वो अपनी पूँछ हिलाने लगता था. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा. ही लाइक द yard labor an amiable bunch. Amiable means friendly. They fed our dog tidbits and scraps from their lunch. Tidbits means small pieces and scraps which is left over from their food. Okay, Rum wolfed it all down, but to our dismay means hopelessness, he seemed to get fatter with each passing day. Means everyone liked it, as it would see whenever it would see a human being, it would start wagging its tail. That's why he was loved by everyone. Everyone would give some amount of food to it in response to his wag. In this way it became fatter. मीन्स ये मोटा होता जा रहा था, क्योंकि जो भी लोग होते थे वो इसको खाना दे देते थे जो भी बचा हुआ होता था. Then one night when Drum was let at his ease, a burglar crept in as quiet as you please. He saw no alarms, heard no siren howling, no guard dog for sure. There would be barking and growling. So what happened one day? That night, the night when a burglar crept into the house. So instead of barking, Rum started to wag its tail. It felt very happy to find someone in the middle of the night. तो जो thief था, that was also very happy to see him, as there was no howling, no barking, no growling. Okay. But Rum was awake and he had seen him all right. Delighted with company this time of the night, he flew through the yard, the new friend to greet. Greet means welcome. And his weight bowled the burglar right off his feet. And what happened? When the burglar was very happy that no one is there, there is no guard dog, there is no barking, no howling, no growling. So what happened? When the burglar crept into the house, Rum, instead of barking, Rum started to wag his tail. It felt very happy to find someone in the middle of the night. Okay, as his company. And what did he do? He jumped. He felt very happy and he jumped onto him. The intruder got up and ran off with a wall, and Rum right behind him, still wagging his tail. He departed the yard. He would come into Bugle like a champion athlete clearing to hurdle. And when Rum started to wag his tail, so what happened? When the burglar jumped off the walls, and this Rum also start following him, wagging his tail, and burglar jump off the wall, and this old mutt, this जो हमारा डॉग है ये, इसने क्या किया? It became a champion. But Rum could not jump gates, so suddenly instead he picked up the thief's wallet and went back to bed. Next morning the evidence everyone viewed when Rum brought it to us. अब क्या हुआ? Brought it to us. अब क्या हुआ? जो चोर था, the thief था, he went away. He jumped off the wall, but like a champion. But dog couldn't follow him. So what happened? When the burglar jumped off the walls, his wallet slipped out of his pocket. Rum was not able to jump, and so it took the wallet with itself and kept it in with it. Next day, he gave this wallet to the poet's family. Okay. Once given the wallet, the police didn't fail to capture the burglar and put him in jail. His confession, like wildfire, spread through the town. Now a big vicious guard dog had necked the thief down. What happened now? Once they got Ram was not able to jump, and so he took the wallet with itself and kept it in with it. Next day, it gave the wallet to the poet's family, and then the policemen were able to catch the burglar with the help of this wallet. Okay, and this dog became very popular, and this particular news spread all over the town like a wildfire. And how intelligently Ram had made the burglar behind the bars. Okay, तो अब ये क्या बन गया? डॉग हीरो बन गया. He became very big, though he didn't followed him in the sense of catching him, but he became hero. Okay, we all howled with laughter when we heard the thief's story, and Ram was our hero. He was basking in glory. There has been no attempt since to burgle our yard, for everyone knows now that Ram is an guard on guard. Ram is on guard. When this particular news spread all over the town that how intelligently Ram had made the burglar behind the bar, this made all the members of the poet's family laugh at the hero Ram. After that particular instance, no one ever tried to creep inside the poet's house. Now they knew that there is Ram as a guard. Okay, this is all, students. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Let us see about the poet also now. Peter Wolveris is a retired marine engineer now living in Northeast Thailand with his wife and dog. English by birth, his work took him to many places worldwide, during which time he occasionally wrote poems and other pieces. Okay, beta, I told you word meanings. Still see these word meanings. Mutt, a dog. Amiable means having a friendly and pleasant manner. Dismay, a feeling of alarm and disappointment. Vicious means very dangerous, capable of evil. So this is all, students. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching the video.